Welcome you guys to my tutorial. Starting with RCMA Pro Palette, I've highlighted the shades that I mixed together. With my Real Techniques brush, I'm going to be applying it starting from the center of my face, feathering it outwards. I've been simplifying my makeup routine. Less is more. Now I'm going to get into contouring. Using that same Real Techniques brush, going to apply those contour shades and the perimeter of my facial structure. As you can see, I'm dabbing the product in and blending it upwards, continuing to blend until there's no visible line anymore. It's become one with my skin. It Cosmetics by Under Eye with the Muse Beauty Pro brush. I'm going to be applying the concealer onto the center of my face, underneath my eyes, and on my eyelids. Using MAC Studio Fix Plus powder with my Muse Beauty brush, I'm going to be setting the center of my face only with this shade. This is my skin tone shade. This is my perfect match. Becca Be a Light palette is what we're going to be using for soft focus effect onto the skin. Starting off with these powders, this is going to give a soft focus effect to my skin. Contour shade going over the cream contour that I previously blended into the perimeter of my face. Using the luminous blush to create a background color for my MAC mineral blush. You can see it's more dimension, more saturation. This is the effect that I want to create. Kevin Aquan Sahara Glow palette, applying with the Real Techniques to the top of my cheekbones where the light will naturally hit, on my brow bone and above my brow. e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil to create a more framed effect onto my facial structure. The eyebrows frame the face. And remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Lorac Pro 2 palette with my Muse Beauty Pro blending brush. Applying light brown into the crease to create shading. Prepping my lid for the next color. Dipping into Nectar, this is more of a light peach shade. Apply it on the crease and start to apply it a little bit above the crease just to create a more romantic look. Sonia Kashuk brush to apply that same shade underneath the waterline. That way we create a monochromatic look. We always want to make sure that our eyeshadow has harmony and it's even on both sides. Applying light brown into the outer corner of the eye is going to create more depth. We want to make sure we enhance our eye shape on both sides. Remember to make them even. Zoeva Visionary Light in Surreal. This is a multi-use face powder. I'm going to be applying this as a eyelid topper. Maneater Tarte mascara. It creates the ultimate volume and lift onto the eyelashes. I'm not going to be using eyelashes today. NYX lip liner in Natural is going to create a powdier look. Wet n Wild Spice with Rum lipstick. I'm going to dab, not drag. We want a soft focus effect and romantic look. So we want to make sure that we avoid any harsh lines whatsoever. Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Pink Lipstick is what I'm going to be using to apply into the center of the lip to create dimension. And I'm going to be mixing it together as you see. Adding the Nectar shade that we applied on our eyelid, I'm going to use for setting the lipstick, creating a uniform look. Before and after. This is a very natural girl next door, doe-eyed makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Visit kianaagosto.com for more makeup, hair tutorials, and shop with me videos. Stay safe.